I am going to make 3 different styles of snowflakes using the same silicone mold. Before we jump into the video, let's quickly go over the materials I'm going to be using for this project. A silicone mat to work on, snowflake silicone mold to cast the resin in, silicone containers for mixing and pouring resin, stirring stick, slow cure resin, and resin-crete. Blue mica pigment powder in a light and a dark shade. Craft glitter in festive colors. I have used classic green, red, silver, and golden colors. Accessories to complete the ornament. Crafting pliers, a safe work environment, and protective gear while working. For the first style, I'm going with a beautiful blue pigment powder. I will be using 2 different shades of blue to add depth and a touch of magic to these snowflakes. I am aiming for that perfect translucent mix where the light can dance through those icy blues. For this one, I want to draw your eye to the center. I'm adding a touch of chameleon powder for a subtle shimmer. With almost transparent background, it won't be a blinding sparkle, but more like a hidden gem, catching the light and adding dimension to those facets. Now for this final snowflake, I'm going bold with a deeper, richer blue. This snowflake edge is straight, in contrast to the gentle tapered edges of the other 2 snowflakes. I have a feeling this darker blue will make the detailed silhouette really pop. Oh, I have a little resin left over. Perfect. It is time to play with this tiny snowflake mold I have been wanting to experiment with for a while. I'm not sure what I'll do with them yet. Maybe use them as embellishments in another project. For now, I'm just having fun and making the most of this gorgeous resin mix, and I don't want to waste any of it. Alright, time for the best part, demolding. These have cured beautifully. No spills, the surface is bubble free. Awesome. This one feels a little soft though, a tad bendy. It needs a little more time to fully harden. Okay, let's pop these out of the mold. Look at that, they are coming out clean. This one has self-domed. What a happy accident. I poured a little extra resin into the mold and it works perfectly with the faceted design of the snowflake. That chameleon powder in the center against the clear resin is subtle and in total harmony with that cloudy icy look. And check out that little blob of suspended darker resin. I added it at the end. The resin must have been starting to cure. Trying to get this effect on purpose again will be tricky. But wow, what an interesting look. This design is gorgeous. Look how the darker blue dispersed into the lighter color. That gradation is perfect, and the faceted design is so reflective. The back is a little edgy, and you know what? It totally adds to the crystalline look. I'm not gonna dome this one. Last one. This one's a bit trickier to get out because of the increased surface area. But look at that back, edgy like the last one. Combined with the darker blue, it really brings out the detail. Love it. This would not have worked with a lighter color, like the first snowflake. The front is perfectly finished. This baby is ready to be accessorized. These snowflakes are mostly transparent with a beautiful blue hue from the mica pigment. Their delicate and ethereal look makes them perfect for hanging from a ceiling or a chandelier. They can also be used as ornaments on a Christmas tree, especially if you have a blue and silver colored theme. All right, it's time for the exciting part, demolding. As you can see, the pigments have settled beautifully, creating some stunning effects. This one cured perfectly level, no doming needed. I'm really happy with how these have turned out. No extra work required. Let's gently pop them out of their molds. These designs are quite transparent, which means they'll look amazing against a light source. Ooh, look at that. The center is vibrant red and the prongs are crisp green. Very pretty. This one will reflect the colors behind it, so it would look stunning against the green Christmas tree. This one has a beautiful shimmer, perfect for hanging on a lighter colored tree. It reminds me of a classic ornament. Now let's take a closer look at the details. The facets are really popping. There seems to be a little sticky patch here. It looks like a bit of resin that might not have been mixed properly. Unfortunately, it got on my finger as well. Let's try cleaning it up with an alcohol wipe and see if that helps. Thankfully, it's only one spot. I have removed the excess and I don't think it's anywhere else on the snowflake. This is a good reminder that even while demolding, it's probably a good idea to wear gloves, especially when the temperatures are cooler. You never know when you might encounter some uncured resin. Okay, come on, out of there. There we go. All in all, I'm really pleased with these snowflakes. I'm gonna add accessories to them so that I can hang them up on the Christmas tree. These snowflakes have a transparent base with sparkling glitter embedded within. These would look stunning when hung in a window or near a light source. The glitter will catch the light and create a mesmerizing effect. They can also be used as ornaments on a Christmas tree, adding a touch of sparkle and whimsy. My ornaments are finally cured. There's a little bit of spill over here, but I don't think it'll be a problem. Let's get these beauties out of their molds. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is even better than the clear resin ornaments I made. I am absolutely in love with this. The white will contrast so beautifully with the green of the Christmas tree. This is definitely a winner. Let's take a look at the other one. Wow, they're both incredibly beautiful. And because it's white and pristine, it really captures the essence of a snowflake. I can't get over how stunning it looks. I honestly think they look even better than the clear resin ornaments. I'm so thrilled with how these have turned out, and I can't wait to hang them on the Christmas tree. These snowflakes have a solid, opaque white color and a more substantial feel. Their sturdy nature makes them ideal for outdoor decorations, such as hanging from a tree or bushes. They can also be used as table centerpieces or a part of a winter themed display. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays and have a wonderful day.